Hello and welcome, I'm Harry, and today we're going to be exploring an extraordinary piece of aviation and space exploration history, the X-15, the fastest and highest flying manned aircraft in history. The X-15 was a critical stepping stone to space travel. Developed in the late 1950s and early 60s, the X-15 was a sleek black aircraft resembling a rocket more than a traditional airplane. It was designed to fly at hypersonic speeds, reaching the very outer edge of space. Its purpose was not just to break records, but to gather crucial data about the human ability to control aircraft at extreme altitudes and speeds, and how the materials used in the aircraft react to such conditions. This knowledge will later pave the way for the space programs such as Apollo and all the future missions after. The X-15 was launched from under the wing of a B-52 bomber at around 45,000 feet in altitude. Once released, the X-15's rocket engines would ignite, propelling the aircraft to speeds up to Mach 6.7, that's nearly 7 times the speed of sound, and altitudes in excess of 350,000 feet. Imagine that, an aircraft in the 1960s reaching altitudes where the sky turns from blue to black. The Earth's curve becomes visible. The program employed a number of test pilots, including Neil Armstrong, as we all know would later become the first man to walk on the moon. These pilots were effectively astronauts, with several X-15 flights qualifying as space flights, according to international standards. While the X-15 might look simple compared to today's spacecraft, flying it was anything but. It demanded the utmost skill and courage from the pilots. The X-15's hypersonic speeds and high altitudes presented unique challenges. Control surfaces that would work in the dense air at lower altitudes became ineffective in the thin air at high altitudes. Therefore, the X-15 was equipped with reaction control systems, similar to those used on spacecraft today, which used tiny little thrusters to control the aircraft's orientation. The X-15 program wasn't without its risks and challenges. There were a number of accidents and emergency landings. One pilot, Michael J. Adams, tragically lost his life during a flight. Yet despite the risks, these brave pilots and the entire team behind the X-15 program persevered, driven by their insatiable curiosity and desire to push the boundaries of what was possible. Over the course of 199 flights, the X-15 program collected invaluable data about high-altitude flight, re-entry, and human factors in extreme environments. This data did not only shape the future of space exploration, but also contributed to the development of technologies that we now take for granted, from heat-resistant materials used in various industries to life support systems and high-altitude flight suits. Yet despite its tremendous importance, the X-15 program remains largely unknown to the general public, overshadowed by the more famous Apollo program. But the truth is, without the X-15, the Apollo program may not have even been possible. What set the X-15 apart was its experimental nature. Every flight was a venture into the unknown, a real-time experiment. It required exceptional levels of adaptability and quick thinking from both the pilots and the ground crew. Imagine being in the cockpit of the X-15, flying at hypersonic speeds, dealing with high G-forces, handling a myriad of controls and conducting experiments, all while knowing that a single mistake could be catastrophic. Now imagine being part of the ground crew, watching as the X-15 soars off into the sky, relying on the pilot's skill and the integrity of the machine you've helped build and maintain. The anticipation, the tension, the relief upon successful landing, and the excitement of the data gathered. The X-15 program screams team effort, with each member playing a crucial role in its success. From engineers, scientists, mechanics, to the brave pilots who risked their lives, everyone contributed to the boundaries of our knowledge and the capabilities of what is possible today. And let's not forget the machines themselves. The X-15 aircraft, built by North American Aviation, were engineering marvels of their time. They were built to withstand extreme conditions in terms of speed and altitude, and they did so with remarkable consistency. And while the X-15's active life was relatively short-lived, ending in just 1968, its legacy continues. The lessons learned from the X-15 program can be seen in every spacecraft that followed, from the Space Shuttle to today's SpaceX Starship. The X-15, a symbol of human achievement, courage, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. It remains a powerful reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to explore and dare to dream. If you have been, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. I really would appreciate it.